When most people think of luxury cars, they imagine high costs and constant repairs. But not every premium vehicle fits that stereotype. In fact, some luxury models are surprisingly affordable and built to last for hundreds of thousands of miles. In this video, we'll count down 10 Audi, Lexus, Acura, BMW, and Mercedes models that prove you can enjoy comfort and style. 2013 Audi Q5. This luxury crossover became one of Audi's best sellers by offering the perfect mix of style, comfort, and dependability. With a solid build and refined interior, it gave drivers the premium feel of a high-end sedan, but with the versatility of an SUV. Engines like the 4-cylinder turbo and the V6 delivered smooth power while still keeping efficiency in mind, and many owners found them to be surprisingly durable with regular care. Step inside and you're met with Audi's trademark craftsmanship, leather seating, high-quality trim, and intuitive technology like navigation and Bluetooth. The Q5 also scored high on safety, with advanced stability systems and a solid structure that gave families extra peace of mind. What truly sets it apart is its staying power. Many examples continue to run strong well past 150,000 miles. And it remains a popular choice in the used luxury market because it combines everyday practicality with a touch of elegance. 2010 Lexus RX 350. This midsize SUV built its reputation on being both luxurious and incredibly reliable. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6, it delivers smooth acceleration and effortless highway cruising. Yet it's simple to maintain compared to many of its European rivals. Owners love that it feels refined without being complicated, a car that just works year after year. Inside, the RX 350 offers a quiet, comfortable ride with premium materials and excellent build quality. Leather seating, wood trim, and available features like navigation and premium audio made it feel upscale when new, and those comforts still hold up well today. The cabin is spacious, with versatile cargo room that fits family life or long road trips with ease. What keeps this SUV at the top of reliability charts is its ability to easily surpass 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. It's the perfect example of how Lexus managed to blend durability with comfort, creating a luxury vehicle that truly stands the test of time. 2010 Acura TL. This sedan proved that luxury doesn't have to mean fragile. Built on Honda's engineering foundation, it combines strong performance with long-term reliability. The available V6 engine provides smooth and responsive power, while the optional all-wheel drive system gives it extra confidence in all weather. Many owners still daily drive these cars today, a testament to their durability. Inside, the TL feels upscale but practical. Leather seating, a premium audio system, and available navigation made it modern in its time, while the build quality has held up impressively well. The cabin is roomy and comfortable, designed to make commutes and long trips equally enjoyable. With regular maintenance, these sedans often cross 200,000 miles with ease. That's why it remains a favorite in the used luxury market. A car that offers style, performance, and dependability without the repair nightmares that often come with premium badges. 2014 Audi A4. This compact luxury sedan became one of Audi's most recognizable models thanks to its balance of style, refinement, and everyday usability. Under the hood, the 4-cylinder turbo engine delivers smooth power with solid efficiency, and when properly maintained, it has proven to be far more durable than many expect from a European luxury car. Step inside, and the cabin showcases Audi's reputation for design. Leather seating, aluminum or wood trim, and intuitive technology create an upscale environment that still feels modern today. With features like Bluetooth connectivity, premium sound, and available navigation, it offered drivers luxury without being overly complicated. What makes this model stand out in the used market is how well it ages. Many examples continue to run strong well past 150,000 miles. And the solid build quality means fewer rattles and issues over time. For drivers who want affordable German luxury that doesn't constantly break the bank, this sedan is a proven choice. 2010 Lexus ES 350. This mid-sized luxury sedan has long been praised for its smooth ride, quiet cabin, and outstanding dependability. Sharing much of its engineering with the Toyota Camry, it benefits from proven reliability while offering the refinement expected from Lexus. The 3.5-liter V6 delivers effortless power, perfect for highway cruising or city commutes. And it has a track record of lasting well beyond 200,000 miles with simple care. Inside, the ES 350 surrounds passengers with comfort. Leather upholstery, wood grain accents, and a well-insulated cabin create a relaxing atmosphere. Features like dual-zone climate control, premium audio, and available navigation made it advanced for its time, and they still hold up today. Owners often highlight how little trouble this model gives over the years. It's the kind of car that lets you enjoy luxury without worrying about constant repairs, which is why it continues to be a top pick in the used luxury market. 2013 BMW 328i. This compact luxury sedan is one of BMW's most popular models, known for blending sporty handling with everyday usability. The 328i delivers sharp steering and balanced suspension, giving drivers that classic BMW feel while still being practical for daily commutes. The 4-cylinder turbo engine offers strong performance and, with proper maintenance, has proven to be more durable than many expect from a German luxury car. Inside, the cabin feels premium with leather seating, quality trim, and driver-focused controls that make every trip enjoyable. Features like navigation, premium audio, and advanced safety options gave it an edge when new, and many of those conveniences still feel modern today. What keeps this model attractive in the used market is its longevity. With regular care, many examples continue running smoothly well past 150,000 miles. Showing that even a sporty European sedan can combine driving excitement with long-term reliability. 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350. This mid-sized luxury sedan is often called the backbone of Mercedes-Benz, thanks to its balance of comfort, performance, and lasting quality. The E350 comes with a strong V6 engine that delivers smooth power and has a reputation for durability when properly cared for. Unlike many European cars that develop costly issues early, this one has proven it can hold up for the long haul. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels solid and refined. Leather upholstery, wood accents, and advanced features like navigation and premium sound gave it a high-end feel, while safety systems such as stability control and multiple airbags made it one of the safest cars in its class. Owners frequently report these sedans reaching 200,000 miles or more, a rare achievement for a luxury car of its time. For buyers wanting the prestige of the Mercedes badge without constant repair bills, the E350 is one of the smartest options on the used market. 2012 BMW 528i. This mid-sized luxury sedan brought together comfort, performance, and advanced features in a package that appealed to a wide range of drivers. The 528i's 4-cylinder turbo engine delivers smooth, efficient power, and when maintained properly, it has proven capable of lasting well beyond expectations for a European luxury car. It's a model that shows BMW can build both excitement and dependability. Inside, the cabin feels premium with leather seating, elegant trim, and a quiet ride designed for long-distance comfort. The iDrive infotainment system, navigation, and premium audio gave it a high-tech feel, while safety systems like stability control and advanced braking provided extra confidence on the road. What stands out is how well this model holds up over time. Many examples continue to run reliably past 150,000 miles, and for a BMW in the luxury segment, that's impressive. It remains a strong choice for buyers seeking prestige and practicality in one package. 2013 Mercedes-Benz C300. This compact luxury sedan gave buyers a true taste of the Mercedes experience in a smaller, more affordable package. The C300's V6 engine provides smooth and confident performance, and when properly maintained, it has shown impressive reliability compared to many of its European rivals. It balances daily usability with the prestige of the three-pointed star. Inside, the cabin feels upscale, with leather seating, wood trim, and a design that still holds its elegance today. Technology like navigation, Bluetooth, and premium audio made it competitive at the time, while Mercedes safety features delivered the peace of mind the brand is known for. What makes it attractive in the used market is how well it ages. Many examples continue running strong past 150,000 miles, offering buyers affordable access to luxury that doesn't constantly break the bank. For drivers wanting style, comfort, and a badge with legacy, the C300 remains a dependable choice.